Welcome back. Today we are breaking down Breaking Bad Season 4 Episode 9. The episode opens with Walter White becoming increasingly paranoid. After discovering that someone could have broken into his house, Walt believes he has been bugged by surveillance devices. His fears become so intense that he rips through parts of his home in search of a hidden microphone. Skyler watched Walt's behavior with concern. He realizes that his obsession is getting dangerous, but Walt refuses to believe he is overreacting. His growing paranoia reflects how trapped he has become in Gus Fring's control. Meanwhile, Jesse the punk man is spending more time with Mike Ehrmantraut. Instead of treating Jesse like a reckless addict, Mike starts trusting him with serious jobs. Jesse did amazingly well and proved that he can stay calm under pressure. As Jesse gains Mike's respect, Gus Fring notices the change. Instead of thinking of Jesse as Walter's weaker partner, Gus begins to recognize him as someone who can be useful on his own. At the same time, Skyler faces another major issue involving Ted Beneke. Ted has yet to pay his IRS debt, posing a serious legal risk. Since Skyler helped cover up Ted's accounting fraud in the past, he fears that investigators might eventually be able to tie everything to him and possibly Walt. To prevent a disaster, Skyler secretly decides to help Ted financially. She manages to deliver the money anonymously to Saul Goodman's people, hoping that Ted will eventually pay the IRS and the problem will go away. However, Ted's answer is shocking. Instead of immediately paying his taxes, he considers using the money for his business. Skyler realizes that even after trying to save him, Ted could ruin everything with his poor decisions. Back in the lab, Walt feels increasingly isolated. Jesse is drifting away from him while Gus gains more influence over Jesse every day. Walt realizes that he's losing his only ally. The emotional distance between Walt and Jesse becomes one of the biggest twists in the episode. Their once close partnership is slowly falling apart, and Gus seems to be winning without a shot. The title, Bug, has multiple meanings. Walt literally searches for the insects hiding inside his house, believing that he is under surveillance, but the real bug is paranoia itself. Fear has infected Walt's brain, causing him to question all those around him. Meanwhile, Jesse's transformation continues. For the first time, he is getting real respect from Mike and Gus instead of just following Walt's orders. This changes the balance of power for the rest of the season. Skyler's attempt to solve one problem only creates another, proving that every decision has unforeseen consequences. That's all for today. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch the next episode and take care of yourself. Thank you.
The Empire is rising. Secrets, betrayal, transformation.